2025 Modern TV Unit Design. Luxurious wall-mounted and TV cabinet ideas for your living room.
A well-designed TV unit transcends its basic function of housing your entertainment system. It becomes the focal point that defines the aesthetic of your modern living room.
As we step into 2025, TV unit designs are evolving to seamlessly blend luxury aesthetics with intelligent storage solutions, cultivating a sleek and chic atmosphere. Whether your preference leans towards a wall-mounted floating TV console for its minimalist allure, or a statement TV cabinet complete with built-in lighting, these contemporary designs promise to elevate your space with minimal effort. The perfect TV unit not only boosts home organization, but also deftly conceals wires and minimizes clutter, enhancing the harmony of your interior theme. Ranging from modern farmhouse-inspired wooden TV stands to sleek, high-gloss contemporary wall units, the latest trends prioritize both style and functionality. Features such as built-in LED lighting, marble or textured panel backdrops, and open shelving add an air of sophistication, while allowing space for the display of decorative elements. Those aspiring for an ambience that is both cozy and elegant might consider a custom TV wall unit with integrated storage space for books, vases, and curated decor items. With an ideal design, your TV area can evolve into a statement piece, capable of transforming the entire vibe of your living room. Selecting the perfect TV unit design is essentially about balancing practicality with aesthetic allure. Consider integrating soft, warm lighting, hidden compartments, and floating shelves to craft an inviting and visually captivating environment. Whether your goal is to revamp your living room with a luxury media wall, or to enhance it with a functional entertainment unit, the trends of 2025 offer choices that cater to every style preference. Allow your TV area to mirror your personality and lifestyle while upholding a clutter-free, stylish environment. Ready to elevate your space? Dive into these stunning modern TV unit ideas for a home that exudes both sophistication and warmth, providing an inviting haven for entertainment and relaxation.